Tinyleaf Cabin, designed by Kruse, is a small outpost nestled into the hillside of Mazama, Washington. Positioned in the Methow Valley, this compact retreat was crafted for a passionate outdoor enthusiast who sought year-round adventure with mountain bike trails and ski access right at their doorstep. The cabin's placement and design embrace the valley's sweeping views and dynamic landscape, allowing the client to connect with the environment immediately, even before future plans for additional structures on the site are fulfilled. Inside, the cabin's design reflects the ingenuity of a ship's cabin, utilizing every inch efficiently, concrete, and would create a minimalist yet warm atmosphere, with hidden storage solutions incorporated throughout. The bed area includes pull-out drawers for everyday storage, with deeper compartments for less used items. Movable side panels open up for additional kitchen and bathroom storage, and a cozy reading nook enhances the sleeping space. A skylight above floods the back wall with natural light, brightening the small yet thoughtfully organized interior. Kruse designed Tinyleaf as a roughly 15-foot by 22-foot structure that sits snugly within the natural slope, anchored by cast-in-place concrete walls that blend seamlessly with the rugged terrain. The south side features expansive sliding glass doors that open the interior to the outdoors, creating a fluid boundary during milder seasons. A flat roof, engineered to retain snow, enhances insulation in winter while doubling as a viewing deck. This approach integrates Tinyleaf into the landscape, where it appears as if it's always belonged. The cabin's materials were selected to mature naturally with the landscape, evolving with the changing seasons. Steel cladding and awnings patina to earthy tones, while the concrete mirrors the rock-strewn hillside. This intentional choice allows Tinyleaf to age gracefully, embodying a timeless presence, whether it's surrounded by dry summer grasses or blanketed in winter snow. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Tinyleaf Cabin, a small yet beautifully crafted retreat that merges with the breathtaking landscape of Mazama, Washington. Kruse's thoughtful design not only honors the natural surroundings, but also maximizes functionality within a compact space. This cabin is more than just a shelter. It's a gateway to adventure and a place to reconnect with nature. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest architectural features. Let us know in the comments what inspired you most about this incredible cabin design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.